Alright guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to download and view the digital product on your website. If you're having an e-commerce website, so you're having a digital product on it, so you want to download it and view the product on your computer. So this is how to do it. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So let's say on one of my website. So this is a digital product here that people can land on this page and download and buy this digital product right there. So I want to view it. It's already on my website, but I want to download it to my computer. I want to view something. I want to check something out. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your website admin and go to the dashboard. So now you are on the dashboard area of your website. So you want to go to the products here. So you want to go to all products. So this is the digital product right there. So you want to get it downloaded to my desktop. So to do that, you want to go to edit right there. So let's edit it. So now when you scroll down on this page, you are going to see the URL down here. So here's where you can set. Here you can set the inventory. You can set the shipping. You can set the link. You can set the attribute. You can add the attribute. You can add an advanced option here and get more options from here. Here is where you can add image. If you want to edit this product here, you can do everything here on this page here. Get more option here, and here is the URL that we are going to be using. So if you copy this URL now, and you open a tab here and you paste the URL there, now you click enter on your computer, it's going to download this. It's going to download the digital product. So here is it. So when you download this product, you are going to click OK. So it's going to download it to your computer, and that is it right there. So when it's finished, now you can unzip it and view the product. Okay, and that's how you do it. So now let's say I want to open it up. I want to open the product up. So now I can now view this product here. So let's say I want to unzip it. So here is the digital product right there. So here is it. Here are all everything inside the website. So guys, that's how you view the digital product on your website. If you want to download it to your computer, you want to see how it looks like, or you want to make changes to it, so that's how you do it. So guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial here. If you guys have any question or have anything to say about this video, please let me know down in the comment section area. So subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.